is Andre. This video is going to be a twist out tutorial. You guys recently found out that I recently fell in love with twist outs. I didn't used to like twist outs. I'm more of a braid out type of girl. I never liked twist out until I tried a twist out tutorial from Sunkiss album. I'm going to put the video below where I tried it and I loved it. And the difference is that she applied product while she was doing the twist out on hair that's already been styled and on dry hair. Alright, so I'm going to use the technique of applying product on dry hair, already styled hair routine, to do a twist out, but the way that I would do a braid out. Instead of doing a lot of twist outs all over my head, I would do it the same way I do braid outs, which is basically 2 on the side, always 3 on the side that I have most hair, and it's this side. So let's start. Alrighty, so all I'm going to use are some clips and my butter by Pure Naturals, my coconut buttercream. This works every time. Done this so many times already. I lost the previous clip, so I had to do it again. As you can see in this clip, my hair is kind of shorter, and from now on I'm actually trying a new camera, the Sony 5100. Yeah, I kind of like it, but we'll see. It makes my makeup look better. But anyways, I'm just applying it all over my hair. The water is in the ingredients of the product, so I'm not applying any water. And I did divide that side in 2, and starting from the back. And the twist is always towards my left, away from my face. That's the way my hair naturally curls all over my head, always to my left, whether it's on my left side or my right side. So I'm doing the same thing, making sure the product's all over every single strand and going to the left, my left. Just know it's always 2 on each side, but the side that I have more hair on is the side that's going to have 3 twists. Of course, that's including the front hair. Again, going to the left. Always tight twists. The only reason I started calling this jumbo twist out or big twist outs is only because I only have 5 twist out going all around my head. I always do 5, never more than 5, and having a lot of different twists all over my head. And it's easy to take out. At the top on my crown, I make sure it's tight on my roots. So of course I go a little bit up to make sure all the way from the roots the twists stay tight. I usually keep it for 4 hours if I do it early, about to go somewhere later on, or overnight. I prefer doing it overnight, to be honest with you, and make sure you don't apply too much product. Just like this, I go to bed. In the morning, this is actually back to my Canon T3i camera. I make sure it's dry. Most of the time it is, actually all the time when I do it overnight. It's 100% dry, and I just take it out. You can actually apply an oil in your hands if you want to do it. I usually don't. My hair is pretty moisturized when I apply product at night before the next day, so I don't. But if you need to, you can do that as well. This is just to show you guys how it turns out. I've done this so many times and had camera problems. It stopped recording, but hey, we did it, right? When I do separate it, I don't put my fingers through like a comb or anything like that. I just take it apart, take the twist apart, and then I shake my head, as you guys already know, from left to right. And that's it. I just felt that for me, it just worked much better than doing it all over my head. I just love it so much this way. Just the division, the 3 on one side, 2 on the other side, just works perfectly for me, and I love it. Yes, you do get some shrinkage, but it's alright. I love these results. Alright. If you do try this and it does work or not, let me know down below. The product that I always use, the hair butter by Pure Naturals. That's the only one I use for my twist outs, and it always works. Love this. I'm gonna leave it down below so you can check it out down below along my other videos. And don't forget thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and since that's not enough, don't forget to click the bell so you'll get notified of my videos. Thank you guys.